Bro, tell me why every time I open the fridge, it's like a cruel joke. You're hungry. You're ready. You expect snacks, leftovers, something. But nah, it's just air, sadness. And that one weird container you forgot exists. You pick up a carrot, crunch, May. You grab milk, sour, bread, stale. Fridge, LOL no. And then you're standing there staring like it's gonna magically produce pizza. Newsflash, it won't. So you close it, disappointed, walk away, and 5 minutes later, still hungry. Fridge wins again. Life loses. I'm hungry, all rants out.